In today's video, we will be doing some price analysis on Polkadot. We will have a look at some potential areas that we could invest and then some targets going forward. So first up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So let's get cracking, and we will just start off with a little bit of general market sentiment. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and this usually is a good indicator when alts are going to be doing well and when BTC is doing well. As you can see, we had that push all the way up to 73%, and we have been dropping ever since. This weekly candle that's forming is mega good for alt season. We are coming down to this crucial area of Bitcoin dominance support at 57%. As you can see, we touched down there in August last year, and then we popped back up. We've always used this area as support a few times back in May 2019 as well, so it is a crucial area. I think if we do lose this level, we are coming down to this level at 52%. And then, I mean, I can't just come back down to this level at 35%, but you never know what could happen. I mean, once we do lose this level, you will notice it because things will start popping left, right, and centre. If we just take a look at the Polkadot dominance chart, which is on my up, this is the Polkadot dominance throughout the entire crypto space. Currently owns around 2.2% of the entire market, so things are looking very good for Polkadot dominance. That is increasing. Just running over some of the key statistics. So Polkadot, which is ticker DOT, currently has a coin price today of $45.89. Absolutely flying today, 20% up on today's trading. If you look at market cap, $42.4 billion. Circulating supply is 925 million, and it has a total supply of just over 1 billion coins. Looking at a volume, we are currently getting $4.3 billion worth of volume per 24 hours. And if you look at the markets, predominantly most of that is getting traded on Binance. You're getting 15% against Tether, further 4% there against a BTC. You're talking around 21-22% of the entire market volume getting pushed through Binance. But if you're not on Binance, we're on plenty of other exchanges. We're on Kraken, Huobi, Bitfum, KuCoin. Pretty much all the exchanges you would commonly use, you can get Polkadot on it. It's one of an easy assets to get hold of due to its position there, up at number 5 across all cryptocurrencies. Let's just take a quick look down here at the right hand side of the all-time high, which is currently, so it is $46.85. That was an hour ago. We have hit that and dropped down. But what we're going to do now, we'll jump into some price analysis. We'll start off on the Tether pair, and then we'll drop down into some price analysis on the BTC pair. I know people do like to stack sats, so we will cover both of those pairs. Looking at a weekly time frame, absolutely crazy weekly candle we are forming here. I think it's looking like it's going to push towards $50 before potential retracement first. But looking at the weekly, the daily, we do not have much in terms of data really. I mean, the new tokenomics only came back out in August last year, so we've got, I don't know, about 6-7 months worth of data, which is not a lot really. But the daily time frame is looking very bullish. If you look at MACD, zoom right in there, we have had a bullish cross on the 31st of March, and now we are ticking up. We was in pretty much bearish territory for, I mean, over a month and a half there, and as you can see, that was due to this here. We was pretty much consolidating within and around this range. It likes a bit of consolidation. As you can see, it was consolidating down there, popped up, consolidated around here, popped up. This consolidation zone is now broken out, and we are on for the next push. I reckon we're going to start targeting up to these levels. Let's just take a quick look at a 4 hourly. The RSI area is coming into overbought territory, which is good. Once it's in the overbought territory, we should be creating new all-time highs and keep pushing on. 4 hour time frame, again looking very bullish. This is where I'm going to do a little bit of analysis really. Looking at a MACD, we had a big bullish cross down here on the 26th of March, and it's been looking good ever since. I would expect at some stage there to be a little bit of profit taking. As you can see, on the way up we always get waves to the downside, so let's just concentrate on this entire move here. If we just put the Fibonacci on from the bottom of the move all the way up to the current top, which was $46.80. If we're looking for some potential buy zones, then we need to look at the Fibonacci levels, which are mathematical levels given areas of support and resistance. If you look at this area, that is a crucial area around there. So I always target the 382 level. So if you're looking to buy in and you think, right, I've missed a boat, when can I get in? I think the 382 level will be a nice level to buy in at $39.41. Depends though, because $40 could be some now a new psychological area of support. So if you're looking to buy, either $39, $40 could be a good area to target. But we do know that crypto is volatile. And if the market does swing to the downside, we also have some buy zones here. I mean, it could even ladder some in. If you're looking to potentially, I don't know, for example, put $100 in, you could ladder some orders down from, I don't know, $25 here, 25 here, 25 here, 25 here. You could ladder them down all the way down from 42 all the way down to 34. If we don't get to 34, then it's unlucky, but you will have picked some orders up at these levels. So laddering down is a good way of picking up orders at different levels and getting an average order for those prices. So there are a couple of levels. I mean, I could even highlight that level. The 50% retracement fib has been getting hit quite a lot on retracement, so 3 levels to target there. If the market does allow, we might start pushing on and really creating some new highs. If we look at levels, we can really target these Fibonacci extensions. I think the first major level to get through is obviously $50. I think I did a price prediction video on Polkadot. I think it was about January or December. I did say $50 my price prediction, but I think that's going to get blown out of water and we can see multiples of $50 coming in. So let's just mark that area up there as the first target. I think that will happen. I mean, it could happen this weekend. It's looking very bullish this chart at a minute, but some potential buy zones there if the market does allow. Target, we have $50, and then you can look at these fib extensions at $52, $58, and then $60 to potentially target, to take profit, to then buy back in a little bit low if it does get a retracement. RSI currently overbought, but that's what we want. It's at 85%. I want it to stay at 85%, to be honest. I want it to stay up there, stay above that red line, keep getting overbought, and just go into price discovery and things start pushing on them as they are. So that is some potential buy zones there in the Tether pair, and then a couple of targets for you to sell at if we do get there. Taking a look at BTC pairing. Let's get rid of these fibs. These are from previous TA. So on the BTC pair, I've got this level marks up here. We have wicked through it. That was a previous all-time high at, what's that, 77,700 satoshis. We have rejected off at a little bit of a minute, but if you're looking for a buy-in, we'll have a look at this move here from the bottom to the top. So if you're looking to potentially place some orders, you can look at all these levels again, ladder them down. 618 is my favorite level at 68,853 satoshis, and then there's 382 at 72,700 sats. But like I say, looking to buy in, ladder some orders down from the 236 level, all the way down to the 618 level. So 4 potential orders down there, or even 2 orders at a bit higher and a bit lower, completely up to you, but they are the buy levels that you should target. Firstly, we need to really push through this level. I think once we do push through here, we can then look at the fib extensions and looking at 78,000, 83,000 and 89,000 satoshis to potentially aim up there. So that's some buy orders and sell levels to accumulate or take profit on the BTC and the USDT pairing of Polkadot. If you do have any questions regards to the project or anything I've covered in this video, then jump into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You will find that link in a pinned comment on the description. That will do it for today's video. Please make sure if you're not already that you subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and I'll catch you next time.